One of the most common noises you're probably going to hear from almost every vehicle, eventually you're going to start to hear some kind of brake noise, whether it be a screech, a grind, a low kind of growl. And this is one of the possible causes of those noises. We can see here we have a pad. It's pretty flat in these shiny spots. That's where it was actually making contact with the rotor. Now this is the side that was actually making noise. You can see here, here's a pad. That's what it should look like. Here's pad material, and this is what that one looks like. You don't want to ignore that sound, because once you start hearing that sound, that's potentially doing further damage to the vehicle's brake system, potentially costing you more money, and we don't want to do that. So once you start hearing that noise, you want to catch it before it gets to this, to save you money in the long run and make sure that your vehicle's safe.